Every time you start an automation or a new workflow through Claude Code, you always want to start off with using the plan mode. That way, Claude Code can ask you things of different things that it might need in order to have a full plan and build an automation that you want instead of having results that might not even work. If you see now, it's asking me a question regarding what email it's going to be sending the newsletter to. This is something that I didn't specify in the initial prompt, and that's why it's asking me, and this is why it's very important to use plan mode before actually execute. So for this, I'm going to say other, and it's going to put my personal email address. Then for credentials, asking me if the credentials have already been configured inside my instance. So I'm going to say yes, they've both been set up. And it's asking me about RSS feeds. I'm going to say yes, because I'm not familiar with which ones are good. So we're just going to trust that it's going to give us good RSS feeds. Now it's come up with the plan. We can go ahead and read the plan briefly. The workflow architecture is always the thing that I looked at first to see how it's going to be structured. So we're going to have a schedule trigger at 7 a.m. Then we're going to have RSS feed 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to merge that. We're going to have a code node, an AI agent, and then it's going to be sent to my email. You can read through this a little bit in more detail, but for now, I'm just going to click yes and auto accept. And I'm going to put this in bypass permissions so that it goes ahead and just create the workflow for me without constantly asking me permissions to go into and use the MCP. We can also see that it has its own checklist as it's completing each task. Then it's going to be marking them off. So this is a very organized agent, as you can tell.